Today, we're delving into the world of online payment gateways, comparing two prominent players, Razorpay and Instamojo. These platforms streamline online transactions, making them crucial for businesses of all sizes. In this comparison, we'll explore 5 key variables: features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and possible alternatives. Let's go! Let's take a look at these programs' key features. Razorpay features include comprehensive dashboard. Razorpay offers a feature-rich dashboard for managing transactions and analytics. Global reach. With support for international payments, Razorpay caters to businesses aiming for a global audience. Smart Collect, an intelligent feature for automated payment reconciliation. Developer-friendly API. Razorpay provides developers with a robust API for seamless integrations. Instamojo features include simplified interface. Instamojo focuses on simplicity, making it user-friendly especially for small businesses. Single dashboard. With Instamojo, you can manage payments, analytics, and more from a unified dashboard. E-commerce integration. Instamojo seamlessly integrates with popular e-commerce platforms. Instant payouts. Users can avail instant settlements with Instamojo. Both Razorpay and Instamojo charge their customers in Indian rupees. Razorpay's pricing structure starts at 2.0% plus 3 rupees per successful transaction, with additional charges for international cards. In contrast, Instamojo charges 5.0% and 3 rupees per transaction, with no extra fees for international cards. Just for reference, 3 Indian rupees is around 4 US cents. Choosing between them depends on your transaction volume and international business needs. Razorpay provides a feature-rich experience catering to larger enterprises. Instamojo, designed for simplicity, offers a more straightforward user experience, making it ideal for small businesses and individuals. Razorpay boasts a comprehensive set of features, including advanced analytics and support for multiple payment methods. However, its pricing may be on the higher side, making it more suitable for larger enterprises. On the other hand, Instamojo offers a simplified user experience, an integrated online store, and competitive pricing, making it an excellent choice for small businesses and individuals. While Razorpay caters to scalability and advanced needs, Instamojo focuses on simplicity and accessibility. Several alternatives to Razorpay and Instamojo exist in the payment gateway market. Top contenders include PayU, the recognizable PayPal, CC Avenue, and Stripe, each offering distinct features and pricing structures. PayU and CC Avenue are known for their widespread acceptance, while PayPal and Stripe provide global payment solutions. Businesses should consider these alternatives based on their specific needs, such as scalability, international transactions, or ease of integration. In the battle of Razorpay versus Instamojo, the winner really depends on your specific needs. If you're a larger enterprise seeking advanced features, Razorpay may be your best bet. For smaller businesses wanting a user-friendly experience and integrated solutions, Instamojo is a stronger contender. Don't forget to explore these gateways through the links in the description. Subscribe for more easy internet tips and check out our other videos. Thank you.